Did you know who was the first person to step on moon and which rocket carried humans first successfully? For knowing this, watch the video till the end. Let's see how the Eagle has landed. It was 16th July 1969. At a space center in Houston in America at 9:32 in morning, the Apollo 11 spacecraft left Earth. It was 16th July 1969. Earlier Apollo missions had practiced spending time in space and orbiting the moon. The crew members on this mission were Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Edwin Buzz Aldrin. After orbiting the Earth 1.5 times and spacecraft took off for the moon, the Apollo 11 began to orbit moon. Aboard the command module Columbia, the crew settled in for their long ride to a place where no human being had ever been before. After orbiting the moon for 24 hours, Neil Armstrong and Aldrin moved to the lunar module known as Eagle. Collins stayed in the Columbia. The Eagle separated from the Columbia. Finally, the Eagle landed on the lunar surface on 28 July at 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The lunar module landed on the moon's Sea of Tranquility. Armstrong Radio Mission Control Houston Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Unbelievable, people from all over the world were glued to their television screens. Nearly 7 hours later, at 10:56.15 p.m., Neil Armstrong took mankind's first step on the surface of the moon. The mission was almost about to fail before landing. In fact, the lunar module flashed a yellow caution light 6,000 feet above the lunar surface before it landed. Neil Armstrong advised both Collins and Houston in command module program alarm. It's a 1002 not 2. What was a 1202? It means that computer was overloaded. Should they abort the lunar landing quickly? Steve Bales received the Houston flight controller for the lunar module's computer activity determined that everything was fine. Later, when the Apollo 11 crew received medals of freedom, Steve Bales received one too. Without his fast and accurate input, the lunar landing would not take place. On 20th July 1969 at 10:56 p.m. EDT, Neil Armstrong placed his left boot on the surface of the moon and said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Then he answered the questions that scientists and laymen alike had asked for centuries. What is moon like? Surface is fine and powder. Armstrong reported, "I can pick it up loose with my toe." There seems to be no difficulty in moving around the moon as we suspected. 18 minutes later, Aldrin joined Armstrong on lunar surface. Aldrin also walked on the moon during the first trip, while Michael Collins remained with the Columbia, orbiting the moon 30 times. During their 2 hours and 31 minutes of traversing the moon, Aldrin and Armstrong took pictures of lunar and landscape and of each other. They planted an American flag and left a flag. After 21.6 hours of total time on Moon, Armstrong and Aldrin safely left the surface in the lunar module, dock- docked with Columbia for their return to Earth. Apollo 11 capsule finally landed on Earth on 24 July 1969. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this videos with your friends and family. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon.